horse right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just spent £40 on souvenirs. You plug this out from it's inside of this shirt and gave me a big one. Do it for the gram. Do it for the YouTube. What? Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then my name's Afitos and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Yeah, anyways, that works. We are here in Greece. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video, this part of the vlog, and yeah, let's get the video started. On you, 'cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, telling you right, bet it on me, you know you won't lose, I'm laying it out, sorry for you, keeping me waiting, no hesitating, I like that. What we have chosen, we're walking to get our drinks and tea now. My throat is gone, I literally cannot talk. Breakfast this morning. Oh, my voice is coming back. I just had to get a bit of everything. Bahana's getting the tea for us. But yeah, I need to butter my bread. I just mixed like the savoury and the sweet. I just was like, whatever. This is apple, by the way. Oh no. Oh no. Had to try this. That's yogurt, chocolate yogurt, cereal bar, orange juice. Bahana came back with the tea. Second tea. It's just not hot enough. It's not hot enough. I wish it was hotter. Let's ignore my nails. They're all chipped now. Just doing my hair. Spools. We are ready to ride a horse, baby. Oh, let's press this 0. We're ready. Oh my voice is so coarse right now. Like a horse. Sitting. Anyways, I do look like I can saddle right now, innit? That outfit really goes. None of this was planned though. Okay, we're gonna go get a taxi. And our appointment is at 1 o'clock. Huh? Yeah, you said it's 10 minutes away. We just need the taxi and then to get there. Yeah, oh, yeah, but we can just ask them to stop. We never really came out this way. To be honest, we ain't been out this way since we got here. Legit. It's been like 3 days. They weren't kidding about the palace bit of it. Palace. Oh, our room is like up there. We're one of these rooms. We're on first floor actually. It's one of these. Came to this ATM machine, took out some peas. Our taxi waiting for us to go to the horsey place. Let go. We've got a random dog here welcoming us to go ride. Isn't it? It looks like it belongs here too. It says this way. Yeah, it's fine. It's here. Oh look, there's a freaking horse. I just saw that.
My name is Kostas.
My name is Bahana.
Nice to meet you. Have a seat. Is this your first time in Greece?
Don't you get irritated by the flies, mate? What's your name? I didn't even ask. How rude of me.
Does it have a name tag?
No, I don't think they do that. Is it a boy or a girl though? How am I meant to know?
They all look like boys to me.
I hope you're alright. You look a bit pissed off. Can you take care of me? Make sure, yeah? Take care of both of us. He's putting the reins on. We're casually on a horse right now. Oh my god, her horse sneezed, bless you. I forgot his name again. Ebolita.
It's so stunning. I can't even explain. Mine's called Eddie.
We are on a horse. Annika is so scared. And we're just chilling.
Ellie's going strong. The journey of the horse continues. That is just stunning. I can't get over it. It is postcard potential. We're just horse buddies. Me and Ellie are having a whale of a time. Beautiful, man. I can't get over it. We're at the rock bit now. Ellie's doing her thing. Oh my god, there's like a little pit there. We're trying to avoid that. Dog is following us. The blue of the water is insane how it changes colour. It goes from turquoise to navy. You good, mate? She's alright. Yeah, mine was just Ellie. Hers is Ebolita. Yeah. Yours is Grecian. Hers has a Grecian name. And mine is just Ellie. Universal. We're just living the life of Kendall Jenner. It's so peaceful. I'm glad we did this now. I was scared at first. Yeah, we were freaking terrified at first, but I'm glad we did this. This is why you should go out of your comfort zone. Oh my god, we're going down some rocks right now. Me and Ellie taking the world by storm. And Ebolita and Farhana, we're just doing the things in the Grecian ways. In the land of the Grecian. Guys, look at this view right now. This is what you call a mountain view, bro.
Yeah.
Not what we have. Innit? This is mountain view. Look at the dog. The dog's still following us. Yeah, it knows where its home is. That's his dog, by the way. There's a fly in my ear. But thank you for the journey. I really appreciate it, darling. We've really enjoyed ourselves. Bye. I wish you well. And I know you're a neighbour, but you know, thanks. I wanted one of these that said where we are, but this one's just a foot. Which we're in Halkidiki. I don't like that one. We're going here later. I might get this one.
Where are you from?
Here's some more stuff. The heck, man? I don't know. Oh, look, Grecian music. I'm thinking something like this for my mum, but there's like people on it and like naked people. Look, there's like naked people on it. I can't give that to my mum. But this one, he's not naked. I don't know what to do. Literally nothing to buy, people. I'm going to buy I think I shouldn't get that because she's gonna be like astaghfirullah if there's people on it. I know my mum in it.
I'm not scared.
I don't know, it's really hard. Oh my god, I think I found a good one for my mum.
What's this one?
Igu kitabe.
Would she like it?
Nah.
This is Taki, Opa, Yamas.
People they won't like it.
This and this nice.
Oh my god, I just spent £40 on souvenirs. I finally managed to find stuff. You know, the tops were actually really nice. And then I found cups for my mum, soothers for myself, hauls. This is all of Farhana's gifts for her family. I want to listen to this back and see what I sound like. Do I sound unwell?
You sound different as in your voice.
It's croakier.
Now.
Okay. So it's not in my head.
Yeah, now it's cracking. Before it was like better.
Maybe it's the thing. I really want to know what I sound like. Might listen to it back and see. Pretty. And this is the hotel. Grecian. Around. We were like, which restaurant is the nice one? They said this one. So let's go. The view. This is the place we're at. Minstrel. What are you feeling?
Right now, I was looking at risotto.
Is risotto rice?
Fresh fish of the day.
Yeah, it's
It'll just
rice.
come from there.
Man says main dish is from the fisherman's catch. They caught it from out there, man.
Outside.
right there. Fresh. That's funny.
This is not without nuts and this is without nuts. This is with corn.
What's corn?
It's not alive. Okay. Oh, he's cutting it for you. That's
Nice.
good.
Ooh. You burning it, that's the
He's
word.
like legit gutting it.
Oh my gosh.
Wild.
Very wild.
This is a whole experience.
But at least now you have. This is a full experience here. Getting all this love. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I didn't even know what that was.
It was a glass water bottle. It's
Sorry. Oh my god.
I'm so sorry. Hi. What are you doing? You exploring, love?
My rings.
Oh.
He's like, why is this cat on the table?
We here at the water sports. Turns out it is closed. So me and Farhan are coming back tomorrow, but the girls, it's their last day, so it's a shame we couldn't do it. They're closing early because it's too windy. So they're calling us a taxi instead to go back to the hotel, our resort. We are one with the universe. Got back to the resort, went for a little quick change. Now I want to take some pictures there. This bit, I call it the Love Island bit. Gonna pull someone for a chat. Oh, you can see the sun setting too. It actually looks really nice. Oh, we're back on the beach. I don't know if you guys have seen it in the light. I don't remember if I videoed this in the light. It's actually bare. No wonder they didn't want to do the thing.
What, the paddleboard?
Yeah. We've got some exfoliated feet. I legit stuck that in the sand. We are going to go to Afitos with the girls in this evening, basically. So we need to go get ready.
Yeah, let's get ready.
But yeah. Oh damn! So all three of us, or all three of them, got a yellow flower. Then he plucked this out from his inside of his shirt and gave me a big one.
That's so cute.
I'm dead. Oh, I got a special one.
Yeah. Because you're special.
Oh. Making a bouquet.
We're trying our hardest to piece it back together.
Whose garden? Whose garden did he pluck this from?
Honestly,
that was so funny. That was so jokes.
Where?
Where did he get this from? Got to do with it. That's love. Got to do. It's about trust, baby. That's love. Got to do it. Let's do it for the gram. Do it for the YouTube. Wow! Oh my God! Wow! That was phenomenal! Oh my God, Fahad's got more talent. Oh my God, it's coming through. Annika Jamal only comes through with this. We're walking on glass. How wild. From the top. Yeah. This is talent. Phenomenal. Wherever you are. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next part of this vlog.